Welcome back to another Trucker Tim video. Now as you can see, we're in the trailer park, so you must all be thinking this is going to be a trucking vlog. Well, that's where you're wrong. I've just finished work for the day. Here's the original Trucker Tim mobile, GL12 1. If we come down here, this is SF11. This has got the walking floor on the back. If you're a long-term viewer of the channel, you'll know we take this trailer a lot to MP Nuns. And that ties in actually quite nicely with today's video, because that's where we're going now. But we're not going in a truck. We're going to Newmarket in the Trucker Tim mobile. They're still holding up well. Oh, and I've got something else to show you as well. Let me show you this quickly. They're not plumbed in yet, but I've got them installed. Are you ready for this? You're gonna like this. 3, 2, 1. Bosh! Look at them! I've got them all installed. I've got the air pipe installed, but they're not wired in yet. I've just got to do the electrics. Just bolted it into that plastic box there. I don't know what that does, but they're installed anyway. The tones are coming, guys. Tones are coming on the Cougar. And if we look in the boot, open the boot. This is the most travelled lazy spa ever. Here she is. The pump is installed here. Just screwed it into the floor. I think there's a spare wheel under there, so I'm hoping I've not gone through that. Got the wires going into here. Got to wire it in properly. Got the air pipe there, which goes all the way to the front. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. They're going to be working very soon. There's a fly in here. Get out. I'm so excited to be able to give tones in the Cougar. Yes, make people really jump. Anyway, what we'll do now, guys, is we'll get over to Harry Nunn's, where he's got some crazy carts, and we're going to build a track in his shed and basically just have a load of fun on these crazy carts, have a little race. It's going to be awesome, so I'll see you at the farm. So we have arrived at the farm with the Trucker Tim mobile. In here is where we're going to do the crazy carts. So if we go in, we need to move these 2 trucks out, move all these pallets over there, and then we can make the track. So I'm going to get to drive these 2 out the shed. Let's see if we can find the carts. Yes, here's one. Right, which one is yours?
I think this could be. This is the winning cart.
I bet you've tested them, haven't you? I bet you've tested them to see which one's the fastest. Crazy Cart XL. I've never ever been on one. You've had time to practice. Are they heavy?
Yeah, they are.
Heavy, aren't they? They're quite substantial. So we need to get them on charge, yeah?
Yeah.
But the fun thing about these as well is you can tune them. You can like get bigger batteries and all sorts for them. So I think that's something we might have to do. Are these the chargers here?
Yeah.
Is that a spare battery? Are they batteries?
They are actually, yeah.
We haven't got a clue what we're doing, let's be honest, have we?
No.
Turns out we've got 2 spare batteries here that we're going to put on charge. Charged okay. Yours is done, mate.
It's done already.
Green light. Ready to race.
Maybe this is a faster charger as well.
Well, mine's not even charging now. We haven't got a clue. Get these trucks out. Look at the size of the key. Jesus, it's like a tablet. I've never driven one of these before.
Where to put the key?
Is it keyless? It might be keyless. How the hell do you start these things? Oh. Well, this is going well, Harry, isn't it?
The other side, no?
No. Well, this is embarrassing.
Me to Google it.
Get the Google up. Might be good now. Here we go. No, it's telling me that on the gas, press the brake and then press the start button. Nothing. Turn off ignition if leaving the truck.
Do you want me to give it a go?
Well, you can do, Harry. Trucker Harry, I've been kicked out. We don't know how, but it's on. No idea. Right, next one. This actually got a proper key ignition.
Yeah, that's
Ah, yes, look.
old.
Can't go wrong with that, can you? There we go, just like that. Drive. We good? Just looks so tight. There we go, we're out. Woohoo! Neutral, handbrake. Oh, look, I've got in here with my shoes on. We might just have to give that a little wipe, Harry. Yeah, it's going to be a nice area in here. Oh, how's the charging coming on? Oh, this one's still got a red light. It's going to move some stuff over. So this here is going to be the winner's podium, and we'll be able to get a good aerial view from up here of the track. There's a really big area, Harry. It's massive.
I'll be up there. I'll be the winner.
No, I'll be up here, mate. You may be a racing driver, but...
Yeah, but you could end my racing career.
I could, actually. It's time for flag customisation. Yes! It is time to start building the track. So we're going to build it with all this stuff here. Oh, watch out. Yeah, you got two there, boy. Little bit of advertisement for Snowflake there. They're heavy. This could be the start line. Track build in progress. This is going to be fun, this. Moving some bits from over there to along the back here, so it gives us a little bit more room to make a track. Let me show you the winner's trophy. This is the trophy that's up for grabs today. I'll be taking this home. Okay, a little track update then. As you can see, we come outside here. I've had a little go on them, a little test run, and they're mental. They're so quick. Aerial view of the track. It looks cool from up here. Start there, round through there, round there, round there, back outside, then back in there. Do you know what else we should do? Bring the shutter down, 3/4 of the way down. This is so cool. I'm excited for this race. What do you think about there? Yes! Do the same this side. This is cool. Yes. Right, let's do a little track tour then. So that's the start finish line there with the MP none flags. And we come around here, Snowflake tunnel. Not much room for overtaking through the tunnel there. The Derby corner.
I think this should be called a
Tim turn. Drain bend. Oh, I can't stop. That's the trouble. They haven't got brakes.
bit tired, huh?
Wow. So, I was defeated. Harry won the trophy and the £10. There you go, mate.
It's going to happen.
Well,
thank you.
not necessarily.
Shall I get on the podium?
Yeah, go on then. That's it. Don't milk it too much, mate.
All the fans.
All the fans. Any special thanks?
I think I did it all on my own, actually.
Yeah. Well done. Congratulations. You are the better driver.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And I'd like to present you with also a Trucker Tim sticker.
Thank you very much.
No
I'll
problem.
put it on my car.
Yeah, please do.
Put it on my race car.
Nearly lost the GoPro. That'll be a good shot, that will. It looked really, really fast as well. What's that? What's happened? I broke it.
Oh, it's because it was up.
Oh, that's all right. They're crazy things. Oh. Harry, I just found this. Don't know if it's integral. Just throw it away.
Yeah.
Oh, my phone! Epic fun, these. I love it. We've got to make them faster, Harry. Yeah. Bigger batteries. It'd be nice to have a little brake pedal or something just to slow you up a little bit. Yeah. Bet we could do something. Oh, I stacked it. So quick. Woo! Crazy. They really are crazy, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Yeah, boy! Oh, I'm getting dizzy now. Here we go, I'm going to do a J turn. I can smell burning. Let's get it outside. Burnt mine out. Overworked it. You smell it?
Yeah,
I thought I could smell burning. Maybe we should disconnect the battery. Take this cover off.
Yeah.
See what's going on in there. It's caught fire. I think we sent her a little too hard.
I think that's the day over.
I think the day is done. It's warm in there. Right. That's the motor. I think I burnt the motor out. Oh God, how much is a crazy kart motor? Wow, it's so hot. I think we'll have to retire.
We overdid it.
I think I overdid it. I was going hard.
What's the scrap value?
What's the scrap value? Oh, sorry. Just got your hand. Don't know what to say. I suppose we better tidy up. Oh, I need some Trucker Tim ones of these. This crazy cart is still working. This one's not. I'm going to order a new motor, but I might order an upgraded one. I'm going to take the motor off. It's got to come off anyway. Motor's off. God, it's still hot. Oh look, it's burnt there, look. Not good really, is it? Brand new. I had to cut the plug off. Right, let's put the trucks back in. I'm a bit sad, but what it does mean is I can order a new motor and potentially get a better motor, like a bigger motor for it. It's very nerve-wracking. Don't look like a lot of room. I've already broke a crazy cart. Don't want to break a truck and a shed. I'm doing this for my own safety as well, because if I hit anything, I can say, look, Harry was watching me in. Yeah? Ooh. We've got an awesome camera here because it's got a Moffat on the back, look. Whoa! It still smells of burning in the shed as well. We don't want to upset anybody. Let's see if we start it this time. Where's the key? Right, let's try again. So. Whoa! Straight into life. Suspension. That's the first time I've driven a keyless truck. Yeah. But I'm better the second time round. We just need to shut the shutters down and no one would ever know, would they? They wouldn't ever know. Look, everything's back how it was. Absolutely awesome. There they are, up on end, ready for next time. I've got to get a new motor. I'll leave that with you until the next race.
Thank you very
Put
much.
that there, look. I suppose there's only one thing left to do then. Right, that's me on the way home. I'm going to call in McDonald's drive-through here at Newmarket. Never been in this one before. Looks like we've got a follower in front of us.
You're right, mate.
Give us some tones.
If the Citroen would give me tones, I fucking would, mate.
Do you want to be on YouTube or not?
Yeah?
Yeah, there you go.
Bye.
I'm actually filming this.
Sick car, mate.
Cheers.
Sick car.
Do you want some stickers?
Oh my god.
I'll meet you at the end.
Yeah, thank you.
Can I have 2 plain double cheeseburgers, please? And a 6-piece chicken nugget meal. Large, please. Thank you. Thank you. It's always awesome when I meet you guys out and about. I love it. I love the car with all the stickers on. Cheers, mate. He didn't even mention the stickers. Thank you. Thank you very much. Didn't even mention the Trucker Tim stickers. We'll pull up here. Have some stickers for your car. Can I stick one on your car?
Yeah, 100%. Go on, stick it up
You
that.
weren't expecting this today.
No, I
were
was not. It's actually made my day, this has.
you? Nuggets as well. Just here.
Yeah, we'll go on, stick
like
it like
that?
that. Yeah, go on, do it.
Like that.
I know, the car's a mess. I feel bad now.
Clean that bit.
Look at that.
There we go. Stuck on by Trucker Tim as well. There we go.
Brilliant.
There we go. That's made their day. I'm going to sit here now and enjoy my McDonald's. Oh yeah, obviously, massive shout out to Bobby and Teddy. I've just signed those stickers for you. So, I've arrived home. I'm now on eBay looking at crazy kart motor upgrades. I've seen a few on here. This one here, 1,800 watt, this beast. I think we have to go with this. 1,800 watt. This is the one I need if I want to replace it. Only £38, not too bad. I thought it'd be a lot more than that, to be honest. Let's look at these are big boys, these. I'm excited for my motor upgrade. I'm going to order Harry one as well. So yes, that's what I'm going to do now, get a new motor ordered. I've also got this to show you. One of my followers sent me this. Marcus, absolute legend. Look at this. This is an Oliver's Transport Scania 4 Series 530, exactly like mine. But this is a very limited edition one, as you can see here. It's got a remote, and it does sounds, the indicators, lights, everything works on it. Let's take a little look. Comes with this little remote. You can unlock the doors, indicators, lights. It does everything. Get this out now. Get this set up as well. Have a little play with that. I believe it's a 4 Series as well. Still got all the lights and the Susies in the bag there. Let's take it out of the box. Have a little look. Ooh. Here we go. Actually, it does look good. Can't wait to try it out. Let's just move that down there before I break it. Thank you to Marcus for sending me that as well. Absolute legend. You can just see on here that lights, indicators, horn. It does tones. It actually does tones. So yeah, massive shout out to Harry Nunn for the use of his shed for the crazy karts. We're thinking of doing some amazing stuff, like getting some of you guys down, some other YouTubers, to see what lap times we can do, so you can get the quickest lap time and all sorts of stuff like that. And yeah, potentially setting up another channel just for the crazy karts. We could have like tournaments, leaderboard, like a Top Gear board. Yeah, there's so many things we can do with them. I'm excited to invite you guys down. And if you know of anybody who wants to come down, just let me know. Send me an email, truckertimvlogs@gmail.com, or private message me on Instagram. Give me a follow on there as well. And yeah, and if you know of any other YouTubers that might want to come down and have a race with me and Harry, that'd be awesome. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's been an absolutely awesome day. Can't believe my motor overheated and started smoking. Was so lucky it didn't catch fire in the shed, to be honest. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the little bell notification for plenty more videos to come. We get up to all sorts on this channel. It's mainly trucking, but we do other things as well, just to keep it fun and varied. And also another good reason to subscribe is my Scania 4 Series build. That is being documented on here as well, so there is a little link. I'll put a little card here, actually, if you haven't seen any. And I'll speak to you on the next one, guys. Ciao!